Good morning. This is coming from a forest I like walking through. It's one of those forests where you can go barefoot in the leaf litter. It's just nice. Just sort of take you for a walk with me. Where's my dog? I'll show you the creek in a sec. But yeah, this is Nimbin Creek. Lots of people camp down here, but there's locals that herd everyone out. I was gonna sneak down here, but nah, the backpackers and that don't like it. And there's cows that come to the fence. Charlie doesn't understand cows, but I'll take you down to the creek. But it's so cool. I'm getting into the hippie vibe, and a pagan druid said to me in cuffs, he looked at me serious and said, being barefoot in the forest grounds you with the earth. And you know, it sounds crazy to you city slickers, but I feel it barefoot. But this is the creek. Oh, there's the sparkles again. Go for a swim, Charlie. She knows I try and throw her in sometimes. But yeah, just looking back at the bridge. It's just pristine water. It's nicer up further, but I'll get there. And they build all these, oh you can't see them, but yeah, everywhere up here they build columns of rocks. I don't know what it means. Charlie loves the forest. And she gets to do this, so she just bolts by a little bit. But yeah, just up on that flat bit is private property, so you can see the problem. But yeah, it would be perfect just to camp here, but nah. Plus, yeah. So be careful. I'm going to say you got to be careful in Nimbin on the street. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that. But do you like it here, Charlie? Wanna go for a swim?